Another capture the flag. Same teams switching sides. Ah! It was worth a try. Right in the head.
I was gonna come with you.
Except you weren't.
In my hopper.
No one else charged. Capture the flag, same teams, different sides. I almost got it, everyone. Mad kid had to shoot me in the head. So close. You got shot?
Huh?
You got shot?
Yeah. Here, I'll come with you. We'll go get the flag.
Yeah, they're not even going for our flag. They're mainly defending. Let's not. We clearly have an offensive on them. Oh, we almost got him with the long shot. We're switching to crossbows, man. You guys need to see some pump action crossbowing. Pop, pop, pop. Pump, pump, pop. Look at that gorilla fail. This thing wants to turn. Switching. Get him! Oh, man. Watch out for that kid. Gotcha. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Just turn and sit down. Oh. Ow. Did he hit me?
No.
I just got hit in the face again. I'll just set this down, you guys. They don't even want to attack. That kid right there is good. Get it down. Move. Gotcha.
That's what I did.
Move. Where'd they fall?
Huh?
Yeah, I bet. Okay. Two consecutive.
I was just saying, never run intercept again. They're both on camera.